Hello and welcome to my presentation. I'm Lara and today I'm going to talk about technological sovereignty, Barcelona's approach at protecting data. First of all, what is technological sovereignty? It's that the state provides the critical technologies and either develops them internally or sources them out from other economic regions on their own resources. It's also that the technology is independent of any single source. And as you can see on the image on the left, technological sovereignty also includes the areas of digital sovereignty and media sovereignty, and therefore also includes the access to commodities, components, knowledge, and also IT security, trust, and data security. Technological sovereignty addresses the problem of loss over control of data of the citizens and the state, and therefore leading to a lack of accessibility and transparency, because the data is in the hands of a few technological companies or governments. It therefore addresses the need for control over the information and communication technologies, and this includes data, websites, service infrastructure, and application, and it ensures the protection of the municipal and the citizens' interests. Technological sovereignty is implemented in Barcelona through a number of directives, and they aim at re-establishing the shared control over the data. They use three principles, and they include the use of free standards, also interoperability of services and systems, and especially the use of free software and open data, also at the City Council. And there are also free software communities and networking. Also, they set several core values for their approach to a smart city overall, and that also includes technological sovereignty, but also digital rights for citizens, a collaborative development, especially also transparency and security and privacy. And also another important aspect is that the hardware is under the control of the city, and it also runs the free software, which was one of the three principles. This approach is ethical, just, and people-centered, as individuals and communities have control over technologies that are tailored to their needs, and it prioritizes the needs of the citizens over profit-driven motives. It also ensures data protection and privacy, as individuals have actual control over their personal data, how it is used, and how it is stored. It also ensures diverse perspectives, as it encourages local innovation, and it gives transparency in technological divisions, as it prevents the concentration of power in the hands of a few technological companies. The idea for technological sovereignty in Barcelona originated in the 2010s, where Barcelona started the strategy to become a smart city, but they actually started working on it in 2013 and then presented the Digital Barcelona plan at the end of 2016. And this plan has the goal to resolve the challenges of the city and its citizens through a more democratic use of technology, while also boosting technological and digital innovation that promotes citizens' empowerment. Involved parties include, of course, the government and the city, but also different enterprises, social organizations, and universities, and there are also cooperations with other cities in Spain. But the main thing included in this approach are, of course, the citizens, as they are the heart of this approach and are consulted in priorities and needs. And it also facilitates a participatory democracy. For example, the Decidim Barcelona platform has more than 40,000 participants, and it helps Barcelona's experiment with the methods for a good participatory democracy. The current status shows that it is possible to support technological development while also considering the social-cultural implications for the citizens, so it's both innovative and safeguards the needs of the citizens and the communities. It also created an enabling environment for data-driven and data social innovations, but it's also facing challenges like funding, because funding is necessary for the development of those digital social innovations. And also challenges are skills and organizational capacities, as training and capacity building activities are crucial for this approach. Concerning the future of technological sovereignty in Barcelona, it is possible and it depends on exploring new practices and alliances, but generally more approaches are emerging. For example, rather than using a centralized cloud-based data storage, you could use decentralized data stores that use blockchain, so they are more secure. And also, it is very important that they ensure that the data retained by the City Council can also be used regardless of the applications that are used in the future. Thank you very much for listening.